Are you able to hear me, everyone? Right, very good. So database introductory part we did in the last session. Hope you guys understood, you practiced also. By default, what database existed in Django? By default, what database existed in Django? SQLite. By default, SQLite existed. Very good. So SQLite configuration also you are clear. Because by default it is configured. Engine, Python, user, all these are explained. What engine is representing, what name is representing, what user representing, what password representing, all these are. I don't know which database generally you people are using, Oracle, MySQL, SQL Server, whatever it is. I'm showing on SQLite 3 level only. Come on, checking Django DB connection. If you are going to command prompt and if you are checking like this, see how I am using the command py manage.py shell. If you go to command prompt level, if you are using this import connection and if you are giving all the details and you are giving all the resources perfectly working out. If we are not getting any error, means DB configuration success. If we are not getting any error, means DB configuration success. So hope you understood or not, you can try to check it. Cursor is a temporary work area created in the system memory when a SQL statement is executed. Everybody clear the point here? Clear everyone? Now I'm showing practically these things. Observe everybody. Go there. What do we need to do here? Here only. Py manage.py. You are giving shell. Check it you only what it is giving. So it is providing Python related prompt. From I'm giving Django, correctly observe, dot db import what they said. What they said. From Django.db import connection, they said. Right. Now object, any object is equal to connection dot cursor. Connection dot cursor. Then what I'm giving? Print object. Perfectly working or not, you can tell me any error you got? Any error you got? Perfectly working. Perfectly that object displayed. Come on, remaining members. What you are doing? No code, nothing. What code I typed, my dear? That's it. From Django.db imported connection attribute. Then I said connection dot cursor. Then I made print D. Exit or quit. That's it. Got the problem, everyone? Clear up to there, first of all. Come on. Right. So whenever you are going to source code level, if you are not getting any error, that means configuration success. The cursor is a temporary work area created in the system memory when SQL statement is executed. Clear all the words whichever explained to you. Actually, SQLite purpose, you no need to do any configuration. By default, SQLite 3 it supports. By default, SQLite 3 it supports. You no need to do any configuration. Clear? All you guys are clear? Yes, shell running successfully. Right. Next, MySQL configuration you can observe. MySQL configuration you can observe. How simply we need to do. MySQL is an open source RDBMS. Configuration MySQL DB. We have to install MySQL client by using pip as follows and pip install. Already MySQL available in your system, no problem. Otherwise, try to install MySQL. Clear, everyone? Already MySQL installed in your system, no problem. Otherwise, you need to install MySQL. Come on, everyone. Observe engine, name, user, password, host, port number. By default, port number 3306. Check it every point, guys. Any attribute doubt, you can question me. Database level, slowly you can study. Remember the things. 3306 is the default port number of MySQL. Himanshu, are you clear? Any name you can give, whatever the database you created. Clear, whatever the database you created, maybe students, whatever it is, maybe employees, maybe some financial, whatever it is. Okay, all you people. Settings.py level. Right. Again, you need to check in the same process. If you are not getting any error, you can say MySQL configured successfully. So up to some examples I'm showing SQLite level only. Maximum I'm using SQLite. Maybe at the ending advanced level, MySQL I'll show you. You can try, no problem. MySQL, Oracle, if you install, I'll show you every connectivity you can try in your system. Same from Django.db import connection. D is equal to connection.cursor. Print D exit. Come on, everyone. Come on, everyone. Why MySQL unable to install? What is the problem? MySQL installation very simple. Ranjit, what issue is there? You can tell me. Successfully getting means perfectly you are working. MySQL. Error 2. What is error 2, Ranjit? Error 2, I didn't understand. Very good. Dheeraj is saying successfully working. Any other one you are giving? From Django.db import connection, everybody. No such file or directory you are getting. Okay. I think MySQL not installed properly. Once again, you can try it. And MySQL client also you need to install. I said here, pip install MySQL client. Without installation of client, how it work out to you? Right. If you are using, for example, Oracle, observe now Oracle level. Anybody using Oracle? Any of you guys using Oracle? Oracle is the ORDBMS developed and marketed by Oracle Corporation. It has 4 editions: Enterprise Edition, Standard Edition, Express Edition, Oracle Lite. Observe everybody. Enterprise Edition, Standard Edition, Express Edition, Oracle Lite. Clear all of you, all the terms. My case, MySQL install, but project runs. No problem, Sumedh. Oracle people, check it again. First, any one database you can try. Don't try all the databases at a time. That is my suggestion for you. Don't try all the databases. Better first you can try SQLite 3. No problem, you can. Express edition, no problem. Dheeraj. But any one enough. Don't try all the things. I hope you understood what point I said. No problem. Anything. Any one database. Clear? I'm coming to PostgreSQL. Observe. Check it. Check it. Don't worry. Everything you will understand. I'm here. So far, all the topics, how nicely you understood. More than that, you will understand. Don't worry. Got it, everybody? Come on. PostgreSQL is clear for you. Next one. Django. PostgreSQL you can install, my dear. My Himanshu, my videos are there. You can go through very simple. But don't do all the databases, Himanshu, at a time. You will get a lot of problems. Port problems you will get. Execution problems you will get. Any one RDBMS enough. System will get slow also. Hope you are understanding what I said. Come on. Djnago. Django plus Mongo. Default engine name host. Clear everyone? Databases. Shall I move forward? Clear all the databases. Defining Django models. Defining Django models. Defining Django models. Try to check it, everybody. Defining Django models. A model is a class which is used to contain essential fields and methods. Each model class maps to a single table in the DB. Django model is a subclass of Django.db.models.model. Excellent. And each field of the model class represents a DB field. I hope you understood. Correctly understand, hope you understood. Django model fields. These fields defined inside the model class are the columns name of the map table. Field name, class. Auto field, class auto field. Char field, class char field. Date field, class date field. Email field, class email field. Try to understand all these are. In other databases, data types, how we are calling char, varchar, int, decimal, like that. Here, how we are calling class name. Very important Django models, my dears. Model fields also. Most important fields I wrote. Any question, barely you can try to express yourself. Don't hide anything. Am I okay, everyone? Right. A model is a class which is used to contain essential fields and methods. Each model class maps to a single table in the DB. Django model is a subclass of Django.db models, and each field of the model class represents a DB field. Django model fields. Field name, class. Am I clear? Shall I move forward? Right. Next one, field options. You can check it. Check it once. Field options. Field options. Each field requires some arguments that are used to set column attributes. column attributes. Each field requires some arguments that are used to set column attributes. Clear field options, null, blank, default, primary key, all these are unique. I think you observed already. Null means it will store empty values. Blank, it is used to allow the field to be blank. Default, the default value for the field. Primary key for the model. Unique, it must be unique throughout the table. See, lot of resources I'm providing. Lots of resources I'm providing. Lots of resources I'm providing. Is it okay for you? Shall I ask questions? Shall I ask questions? If you understood, ask questions. Field name class, field options, particulars. If you are ready, understood every point, I'll ask questions. Come on, respond, my dears. Ready? Very good. Postgre working. Happy. Generally, what are the attributes existed for database configuration? What are the attributes for database configuration? Come on, quickly respond. What are the attributes for database configuration? Come on, database configuration purpose. What are the attributes available? Any database. First, engine, name, user, password, host, port. Engine, name, user, password, host, port. Hope you guys understood all the words. Configuring Oracle database. Database is equal to, you need to write that one. Okay, right. Tell me, what are the field names? What are the classes? At least 5 field names and 5 classes, you can tell me. 5 field names and 5 classes. 5 field names and 5 classes. Come on, respond, remaining members. Very good. Auto field, class auto field, care field, class care field, date field, class date field, email field, class email field, file field, class file field. Come on, image field, class image field, text field, class text field. Hope you guys understood, everybody. Very good. Auto field, care field, date field, email field, file field, image field, text field. Perfect. Some people are giving perfectly. Can you tell me null means? Can you tell me null? Field options null means. It will store empty values. Very good. Blank means. Blank meaning. It is used to allowed field to be blank. It is used to allowed field to be blank. Default. The default value for the field. Primary key. Come on, primary key. Primary key means what? Primary key for model. Generally, what is primary key? Generally, what is primary key? Not null plus unique. Not null plus unique is called primary key. Foreign key means what? One table level primary key, in another table foreign key. One table level primary key, in another table it is foreign key. One table level primary key, in another table it is foreign key. Clear? Same. One country person, in another country foreign. Foreigner. Same like that. One table data, in another table foreign data. Guys, clear all the theory level? Do you want to do any installations? Or shall I start directly examples? Means I'll start directly examples. You want to do installation, configurations, all the things you want to check it means you can check it. Directly example means I'll start the example. Shall I start the example directly? Okay, right. Don't confuse because I'm taking your permission. You said examples. Right. First, I'm giving the notes for you. Up to here in the last session, we did. DB. Right. DB models. Whenever we are going to create a project, all are as usual. First, you can check it. Till now, here you can try to observe the project level. Till now, we didn't do anything in models. Anybody, you did anything in models till now? Till now, anything we did in models? No. Where actually models available? Project level, application level? Where exactly models available? Project level or application level? Generally, these are existed application level. Models always contains only models always contains only DB related configurations available. Do you know first of all how to create a table? How to create a table? Can you tell me how the manner you are creating a table? Create table, table name. Come on. Column 1, data type. Column 2, data type. So like that we are creating. So you guys having that one. So why you people are going to create like that? There is a many resources existed here. There are many resources existed. Observe how we are creating models. I'm showing just, I'm not creating directly. Employee class I am creating. This kind of classes where I'm creating, is it Python coding or database coding? Correctly observe. Is it Python coding or database coding? These are completely Python coding. All of you are having oops idea? All of you guys having oops idea? Yes. Object oriented programming system. Right. So here inheritance concept also available. Do you know inheritance? Right. Very good. Reusable. So these classes generally we are writing like this in the database. This is generally SQL direction. This is SQL code. This is Python code. Python code only we are writing in the SQL level. Anyway, my suggestion for you today, first practice whatever the configurations I provided. Install any one RDBMS. Don't install more than one. Because system gets slow, otherwise confused, otherwise port numbers problem, whatever it is will come. So understand. Clear everyone? In the next session level, I'll start. Anyone you can. In the next session level, I'll start all these database configurations. But database configurations before, models, model related classes, classes related attributes, please remember. Clear up to here all the resources? Right. Any installation problems, please cross check. In YouTube already videos available, my videos also, you can cross check. Any questions, please ping here. Previous all projects are working perfectly. Previous all projects are working. No questions. Thank you everyone. Catch you tomorrow. Thank you everyone. Catch you tomorrow.